So the question is how do you choose a doctor or an implant center to do your replacement teeth or your new smile? That's a great question because, there's implant centers that are kind of popping up all over the place. And so it's very important that as you're going through the process and you're trying to determine who's going to do your case, this is a lifelong procedure. And so it's one that you really don't want to cut any corners on. Anytime you do a surgical procedure to your body, you want to try to find the most qualified, the most skilled, who's done the most cases, a doctor who really knows what they're doing and has a system in place that can make the process as comfortable and as smooth and have an end result that is what you're anticipating. And so, it's important to really do research and look at each case, and don't determine your selection of the practice or the doctor who's doing your case based on, proximity to your house or on the price. Choose a doctor that's going to provide you with the very finest result outcome and can predictably give you a process or a prosthesis that's going to last you the rest of your life. So it's a great question, very important question, because we here at Trust Implants see a lot of cases coming in from other practices that have fallen apart, and the patients are, they've spent the money and they've had to redo these cases. So I'm very passionate when I say that because, we don't want to see patients have to go through this process again. Do it once, do it right, and then be done with it. And so it's important to do your homework and choose wisely in who does your case.